today I got a special guest, Mr. Parrot. I invited him a tea party.
Ooh. All right. What are you making?
We're making salad and pizza and tea with some delicious fruit. Let me show you my tea.
Ooh, fancy.
And I got more fancy stuff.
That's super fancy.
So,
What fruit you got over there?
fruit. Oh, I got apple and raspberry and blueberries.
That looks good.
Now let's get Parrot.
Why, hello everybody. It is me, Mr. Parrot.
Well, welcome, Mr. Parrot, to my tea party.
Oh, everything looks so good. I am starving, Chef Jamie. What you got?
I got a salad with fruits, and then I got pizza, and then we got some cup of tea with some raspberry and blueberry and apple.
Oh, I want it all. I want it all.
Okay, I'm making it. No! Hey! No, not like that.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't have any manners when my stomach is rumbling.
Nah, let's put some pepper on it.
Shoo!
Bless you.
Thank you, JB.
You're welcome. You like the pizza?
I love the pizza. It is wonderful.
Have it on the have it on the plate.
Okay, let me get it. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious.
Are you done?
I am done, but I'm still hungry, you know.
Would you like some tea with the fruit, or would you like salad?
Tea first.
Tea first? Which tea would you like? Raspberry tea or honey tea or bird
All
tea?
of them. Mix it in one big cup.
Zoom, zoom.
That was delicious, my friends.
Would you like some fruit?
Yes, I would, but let me come on the other side. Why, hello, what do we got here?
These are the delicious fruits we have.
Oh, frosted apples. This looks amazing.
Show you manners.
What? My what?
If I invite you, you have to show you manners.
Oh, okay. Let me try it one more time. I'm sorry, Chef. I'm just a bird. That's how birds eat.
But why won't you eat on the plate?
Well, can you help me?
Yes. I can give you a tiny plate with some raspberry and then blueberries and then apples. And you eat it on the plate. Like this.
Is it better now, Chef?
Yes.
Alrighty. Can I have another cup of tea, please?
Okay, would you like bird tea?
The raspberry tea sounds wonderful.
Oh, I can put the raspberry tea in your cup. Or then let's put some raspberry in it. Then let's make it my special way.
So good, Chef.
You want another one?
No, I would like something more to eat.
Would
I
you-
am still starving.
Would you like the big salad with a lot of fruits?
The extra big salad, please.
The extra big salad? Okay.
Extra.
Extra? Yes, it is.
Hey, Chef, what are you doing?
salad for you.
Oh, that looks so good. What is that?
Huh? What's this? This is pumpkin.
Oh, I love me some pumpkin. What else are you putting in there?
My salad.
What else does it have?
It has all the fruits I have. And all the
Sorry, I have to take a bite.
Show you manners. Always show you manners.
I'm trying.
Okay. But I can give you a piece of this. You want squash?
Oh, I love me some squash. Do you know I love everything?
Yes.
I'm a food junkie. Nom, 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 nom,
Here,
nom,
no, right here. Your appetite.
I got a huge appetite.
You done?
I am done with that one, thank you.
Orange.
What else we got?
I am done.
You're done? But I
Red.
want a huge salad, the biggest one you can ever make.
But this has a lot of fruit, you know. I can put more of these if you want to.
Okay. Hey, Jamie, look over there.
Wait, oh my gosh! What did you do?
Oh, my bad. I thought it was ready for me to eat.
It wasn't red. That's some spicy red pepper. You just ate.
Ah, that is hot. Give me something. Give me. Help.
His teeth. He smashed his teeth.
Oh, more. Way better. Hey, why are you putting spicy pepper in my salad?
I didn't know that was spicy pepper.
I don't like spicy.
I love everything.
Yeah, but not spicy. Can we try it again?
Yes.
Maybe you do it.
I want you to pick all the fruits and help me.
All right.
Where are your manners?
Manners? What are those manners?
Manners are show respect, don't steal other people's food when they're still working on it, and show respect.
Oh, but can I steal other people's food when it's ready and they don't work on it?
No, like when they deserve it, like when they bring it to you, you can eat it.
But I can't steal it?
No.
Oh, so I guess stealing is bad.
Yes.
Okay, then if I don't steal, how am I supposed to eat?
You wait for the food.
Huh?
You wait for the food.
But I'm hungry. Can you give it to me now, please?
I can give you something to eat.
Give me.
I'll give you pizza.
Ooh, pizza. Give me.
It's your pizza.
That was delicious. Yum.
Are you done?
I am done. Thank you.
Would you like some cup of tea too?
Yes.
Okay.
But can I have that fruit salad, please?
Yes, I'm done.
Yay!
Would you like some pizza too? Would you like some pizza?
No, I am done. Just my tea is fine, thank you.
The tea's right here. Here you go.
Alright. Well, Chef Jamie, thank you for teaching me some good manners.
And would you like a dessert or no?
Yeah, you got dessert?
Yeah.
What you got?
I got chocolate fruits.
Ooh, give me. Let me have some, please.
Eat nicely.
Can I have some to go, please, as well?
Bowman, here's your plate. You can eat, and I'll make a box.
Yay.
Box.
Yum, yum, yum,
Box.
yum, yum, yum.
Box. Here's your chocolate fruit box.
Oh, Chef Jamie,
Yeah?
you are so amazing. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Well, can I be invited another time as well?
Yes. All of you keep your manners.
I will always keep my manners. Thank you.
Here's your box.
Bye-bye.
Chocolate fruit. Bye.
Mwah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.